Well, it's now 6:17. A great morning starting out. If you have a chance to get outside and you enjoy that cool, crisp start, it feels great out there. Temperatures into the low and mid 60s right now. By 7 o'clock, I expect around 66 in Birmingham. 82 by the lunch hour. Once you get out, maybe your late morning, early afternoon to start the grill and get the ribs and burgers going. It's certainly going to be a pleasant day for the 4th of July. Because normally we're talking about it's hot and very humid for July 4th. Well, this is going to be a treat. 62 right now in Birmingham, 67 in Alabaster, all of northern Shelby County in the mid-60s. Tuscaloosa, you're at 64, 63 in Jasper. Coleman, though, you're still at 60 degrees. So I bet there are a few spots around Smith Lake, maybe in some of the lower spots that you're looking at upper 50s. So great start to the day. No rain anywhere close by in Alabama. All of the action is with Hurricane Arthur, which is a pretty healthy Category 2 hurricane. And this is starting to show signs of having the effects of really being close to the Outer Banks of North Carolina. Once a tropical system interacts with land like that, loses some of its structure. But once it gets back out over the ocean, it will start to organize and get its act together just a bit. But most of the strong and very intense winds associated with this storm, which is at 100 miles per hour sustained, has been on the northeastern quadrant. Not to say they haven't had problems with some of the erosion as well as beach damage. But if you're headed to North Carolina or South Carolina later today, going to enjoy the weekend up there, just check ahead of time, make sure that all conditions are good in the area you're going. I would say South Carolina is fine. Here's a look at the eye of this hurricane, pretty well defined now, and pretty healthy storm system for the first one of the year. And ironically, if you go to Mark Prater WIAT 42 Facebook page, I've got an image on there that has the dual polarization, shows where the birds that are actually stuck in the eye of the storm. The radar will pick that up. Even though it's clear, there's sunshine that gets through there. The radar is so sensitive now, it's picking up all the birds that stay inside of the eye instead of getting out into the outer walls where the winds are very strong and it's dangerous. You'll see our forecast throughout our day today here locally couldn't be much better. A few high streaking clouds from time to time, but a great looking day overall. Hope you have a chance to get out and enjoy it. And certainly no problems with any thunder showers here locally. Plenty of sun through the weekend. Next chance of a shower late on Tuesday. It becomes more humid and a bit warmer with a little better chance of scattered storms through the middle of next week.